Hey, this is Yasha, co-founder of Sunvoy, the software to run and grow your solar business. Today I want to show you what you can do if you combine the information from your inverters with the information from your CRM into one powerful automation platform. With Sunvoy, we make it crystal clear to the homeowner where exactly he is in the process of going solar. But instead of just showing that to him in his own branded customer portal, whenever some information changes in your CRM, we also send those updates out via email, text message, or even push notification directly to the homeowner. You can even pick different types of channels depending on the urgency or purpose of the message you try to convey. So for example, if the customer just received permission to operate, you might want to send a push notification. Or if you're about to do a first site visit, well, then maybe you want to send a text message instead. But this is only the start, as the possibilities are truly endless. For example, you can create a site in the inverter platform as soon as a project enters your customer portal, with all the information already pre-filled in. So your employees don't need to fill in the same information again and again. Or you can automatically create an eager view report before a project reaches a design milestone. Or you can send an invoice as soon as a project reaches a specific milestone. Or you can, for example, automatically create a note or a ticket for your O&M team as soon as the status in the inverter portal changes or the production falls under a certain threshold. And in the same kind of sense, you can automatically send an email to the customer that maybe their Wi-Fi connection to the inverter got disconnected to automatically reconnect to their Wi-Fi. You can create all of those automations with just a few clicks in your own customer portal, or just click a button and have some pre-made automations automatically be created for you. And as always, if you need any help setting these automations up, our customer support team is only an email or phone call away.